What's up, guys? Keder here on a beautiful, beautiful day, my friend. What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? How you doing? Pound that for watching this video. Pow! Let me know where you're watching from if you're watching live. What's going on with you? So this stuff doesn't work. Let me know where you're watching from if you're watching live. Today's midday. Kind of doing my workout a little bit later on in the day instead of earlier in the morning. Kylie in the house. What's going on, Trey? How you doing today? What's up, Cal? New Jersey in the house. What's up, guys? Robert in the house. So this stuff doesn't work. All right. I have a few students of mine who just hit me up in my inbox. Yo, Keder, this stuff doesn't work. You know, I've tried it for a couple of days, doesn't work. So let's talk about it. You know, I've seen a lot of people who trying to make money online, trying to build a business. And there's a lot of people who fail. The failure rate is freaking astronomical. It's crazy, right? The amount of people who fail going after their goals or trying to make a business happen online. What's up? What's up, Mark? In the house. What's going on, bro? So this stuff doesn't work. I hear it a lot from a lot of people. And, you know, come to a realization, even me, sometimes I'll try something new for the first time and I'm big in my head, man, this stuff doesn't work. Why the hell it seems like it's working for everybody else, but it's not working out for me? You know, a couple of days in, this stuff doesn't work. A weekend, I'm not getting no freaking results, man. I'm mad. I want results, you know. I want things to be different. That's what I'm looking for, right? So there's a process you got to go through. There's a process you got to go through to make this stuff work. Number one, you know, you got to commit. Like, I know a lot of people who say this stuff doesn't work, but they only try it for 1 week. Like, I have a guy, a good friend of mine, right? He's like, yo, Keder, I'm going to make phone calls for you because I know you got a lot of clients. I have different funnels. Like, I have a couple of funnels where I get people's numbers and I can close them for like 5,000, 10,000. So high ticket stuff, right? So sometime I'll try out a different student and tell them, hey, go to the process, you know, get me a couple of clients and I'll pay you some commissions. They'll make one phone call. Yo, I make no money. 2 phone calls. Okay, what's going on, man? 10 phone calls, I make no money. Not understanding the secret is in the follow-up. You know, it's in consistently building it, but the results they're looking for hasn't happened yet. So they go like, yo, this stuff doesn't work. What I comes to realize is that for this stuff to really work for you, number one, you got to have commitment. You got to be committed to the long-term process. What's going on? What's up? You got to be committed to the long-term process. That's going to be the number one thing. You know, you got to be committed. Once you're committed, you're going to do whatever that's required to get results. Because you're not looking for the overnight success. You're committed to the process in the long term. And there's a difference between being interested and being committed. You know, you might be interested into whatever that I'm doing, whatever you see that's getting results. But when you become committed, you're not just looking at, yo, I'm failing right now. You're looking at, hey, how long am I going to fail to get to my success, man? How long is it going to take me to fail? Like, I'm trying this new business, this new strategy. I've been going at it for 2 weeks and it's just been failure. I'm just wasting money. Like, damn, I'm not getting results. Man, the cool part, being in this process for a while now, I kind of know what to expect because I've been through it for so many times. And that's the cool thing with experience. So if you haven't succeeded, keep experimenting until that you succeed. And once you have the success blueprint one time, it doesn't matter how many times you got to go through it again, because you know it's still going to bug you. It's still going to be like, oh, man, this is nuts. I don't want to be struggling. I just want to win. But you know the blueprint, you know the process. So you got to be committed. Once you become committed now, you got to go through the process every single day. You know, this stuff is not working, but it will work. You'll purge it. You'll force it to work. You'll push it until that it works. And that's how you get results. What's up, Tanisha? Cormier in the house. What's going on, guys? What's going on? So I'm going to go for this run, and this was going to my head. How sometimes we want the stuff to work for us, and sometimes it takes us a little while. You know, we ask ourselves, why is it working for other people and it's not working out for you? And sometimes you just got to go through the process. You got to go through the process before you start winning. just wanted to share that with you. You know, stay committed. Commitment first. You ain't gonna quit until you win. That's how you be committed to the long term. And I promise you, if you stay in the game long enough, man, I've seen so many people who stay in the game and they finally find something that works for them, and it's like, oh my God, all that struggle, all that year for this long time, and now success just happened massively. Hold down the house. All right, Kyle. I'll see you guys on the next one. Just wanted to motivate you guys. I'm gonna go for my workout now. Pumped up a little bit. So let's go get it. It's Monday. Amazing to do whatever you want. No quitters for life. Keep getting it, man. You got the blueprint. Let's go get it. Someone says, can I bring you to America? Let's go. Jenny said it's going to be discouraging at first, but when you start working, then you realize it was all worth it. 100% with that. 100% with that. Cal says, I see the condo that I want down here, man. So waiting for you. Let's go get it. Let's go get it, guys. So let me go ahead and someone says once you get the pieces together, the money just flows. It never stops. That's true. 100%. Please make more step-by-step video on how to make money. Go check my YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of those. I make a lot of those videos that's gonna help you create income online. A lot of step-by-step. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's how you're gonna learn how to win. When is gonna be the next live training? If you're part of my students, I have a webinar this afternoon for my coaching. So that's gonna be our next live training. But as far as Facebook or YouTube, I have a training on a Wednesday on YouTube. I'm gonna do a training with my guy who's actually doing really, really well with affiliate marketing. And he's gonna show you how to crush it with YouTube. His name is Tyler Pratt. He has a YouTube channel right now, grown to about 65,000 subscribers in the last 6 months. And he's creating affiliate income through there. So if you're interested into seeing that, log in on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time on my YouTube channel. And he's gonna share with you some secrets on how to make it happen. So if you're looking for a live training, definitely get into it. Is the next live training for free? The one on my YouTube is for free. But if you wanna come to a live training, like an event that we're gonna be having, that you're gonna have to pay. Say some free traffic method. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Craigslist. Those are a lot of the places you can get traffic for free. You just gotta put in the effort. Choose one of them and be consistent and see how you can grow them. Social media is powerful for free traffic. John. All right, but anyway, guys, I'm gonna go for my workout. Today we're doing legs. I don't know if you're working out today, but you got to get the health together. Remember, you know, if you're not succeeding right now, stay consistent until success happens. You stay in the game. That's the formula. Do the right things every single day. Someone asked me if I believe into the law of attraction. 100%. But I believe in taking action more than just listening to it. Because sometimes you can get a lot of people start listening to the law of attraction, the messages every single day, and take hours and hours, and you not taking any actions, it's not going to produce the results. Faith without work is dead. Whatever you listen is creating the faith, but if you don't go out there to go and create the results, go and take a lot of actions to create the results, I don't care how many law of attraction tips or stuff from YouTube you listen to, you're not going to magically freaking make $1 million appear in your bank account if you don't have a blueprint or some type of daily activity. What's going on, my man Shay in the house? That you actually, a blueprint that you implement every single day until you can get to that result. So I believe in the law of attraction stuff, but I believe that someone who take massive they get their hands dirty, they do the work every single day, they're going to see results a lot faster than someone who's just listening to the law of attraction without a blueprint. So that's why sometimes I see people that are massively successful and they don't even know of this law of attraction stuff. You still make it happen. It's because of effort. And they put in the grind, put in the time. But anyway, guys, I'm out. See you guys later.